Good morning. This is Mill Creek Family Farms AKC Champion Line Cockapoos. Puppies have been out here playing for a little bit. Try and get you a good view of what's going on. This is John Wayne and Hazel's 4-week and 2-day-old litter. You can tell they're really changed a lot from last week. Up and moving around, playing with each other, doing a great job. Oh, you found you found how to get out, didn't ya? You guys are getting too smart for me. Okay, so this is White. He's the little Merle male. Then we've got Mr. Yellow walking away there, strutting his stuff. The black male. And then we've got Blue and Gray here. There are two buff males. Blue's on the right, Gray's on the left. Blue is slightly darker, slightly smaller. Gray's the biggest boy in the litter. We got Miss Angel coming in there. She wears a purple collar. And our other female over here, Miss Vienna, checking out the perimeter. And she wears a pink collar. They're all doing good. Got some new toys out here they've been checking out. Everybody's doing great with their potty training. We have had, actually, out of all 6 of these babies, not had to clean up one bit of poop for 4 days. They are doing so good. They are so smart. So smart. So hopefully that'll make the transition to your homes just as easy as it can possibly be, bringing a new baby home. They are playing and learning and catching on to things, starting food, just being introduced to food, which makes Mama not as excited to get them all cleaned up. As they start food, Mom kind of backs off on their normal Mama baths, and that means that this week will also bring their first bath. So they're doing great. Keeping up on their preventative dewormings. Oh, they're funny as they start learning how to run. What are you doing, Vienna? You gonna show us how you run? Look at those tails going. What's the matter, buddy? You guys want to get out, don't you? I gotta keep the pen up when I try and video, or else they just be over here chewing on my toes, is what they like to do. Just let you watch them play here for a little bit. They're doing a great job. We're really happy with what this cross has made. And it's been so fun to see our Merle puppies come. We do not have, I have it right up on this site, we do not have party colored puppies at this time. The way that gene passes, just is not something we can have in our program with the standards we have. Honestly, I don't mean to say that you can't have a high quality party puppy. Party Cocker Spaniels are, almost all of our mamas are party colored, and they're excellent quality, wonderful. But the thing in the poodle world is, with the miniature poodle, they do not allow it's not a color, party patterned poodles to be shown AKC. So, with some of the standards that we have for our program, one of them is their AKC Champion Heritage, to make sure that we're using very good lines that have been watched for temperament, bred to the breed standard, often very heavily health tested in their backgrounds. And party poodles aren't there. So we, with the way that those genes are passed down, do not have party-colored puppies. We're always keeping our eye open for a poodle that meets our standards and is party factored, but it hasn't happened yet. So for this time, we don't have that option. However, the Merle has sure given us a fun new color to look at. Merle is a pattern of dilution, of diluted color on their bodies. They're just as healthy, just as good, lots of fun. It's just a different color pattern. Our mama Hazel, these puppies' mama, is Merle, and she's our champion sired cocker girl, Hazel. She has Merle, and so genetically, one Merle parent will Merle. Each puppy has a 50-50 chance of being Merled, and in this litter we got 2. So that's that different color pattern you see. So that's been really fun to watch come out, fun to watch them develop. So, and the Merle male here, I believe he is going to have, I don't know if you can see it in this light, it looks like he's going to have at least 1, very likely 2 blue eyes like Mama, which is common in Merles and fun to see. What else can I tell you? They're doing good. Starting to run. Angel's running around to check out what's going on with everybody. And Gray, there he is with the new toy, checking it out. He's going to be the king of the tower now, huh? Got a little bit of video this morning, but it wouldn't upload right. Little Vienna there barking at everybody. She is finding her voice. Finding her voice. Okay, they're all wanting to come over and play. Here, we'll move and see if we can get a little better from here. There comes Miss Angel. Hi, Angel. Hi, sweetie. Oh, and Mr. White. And here comes Yellow and Vienna. That's blue on the right, gray on the left on the buff puppies. What do you think, Mr. Blue? Okay. Well, looking forward to another week and seeing how much they change for your video next week. you guys see over there? Huh? You guys keep acting like you're interested in something over there. What is it? Okay. Well, we will be in touch with you. You let us know if you have any questions. If you're new to us, be sure and check out our website. I'll link to that down below. I'll also link to our store. It doesn't come from us, but it's just a place we have a collection of links of things that we recommend, or I have some things I need to get on there that some previous puppy homes have told us that they really recommend, and it's kind of a place to find some good ideas for things to be prepared with for when puppy comes home. So, okay, we'll see you later.